Join me as I dive into the world of mRNA stocks and try to predict if they'll explode in 2025. mRNA technology has been making waves in the biotech industry, and for good reason. This innovative approach to treating and preventing diseases has shown incredible promise, with several companies already making significant strides in the field. From COVID-19 vaccines to potential treatments for cancer and genetic disorders, mRNA has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach healthcare. The current market for mRNA stocks is facing some challenges, though. One of the main concerns is market volatility. These stocks can be notoriously unpredictable, with prices fluctuating wildly based on even the smallest piece of news. There's also intense competition in the space, with multiple companies vying for dominance. And let's not forget the regulatory hurdles that these companies need to overcome, which can be a major obstacle to growth. Another challenge facing mRNA stocks is the uncertainty surrounding their long-term efficacy. Some investors are worried that the market may be overhyping the potential of these stocks, and that the reality may not live up to the hype. Additionally, there are concerns about the potential side effects of mRNA treatments, which could impact their adoption. The high cost of development and production is also a significant challenge, as these companies need to invest heavily in research and development to stay ahead of the curve. Regulatory uncertainty is also a major concern, as changes in government policies or regulations could significantly impact the growth of these stocks. The fact that mRNA technology is still relatively new also means that there's a lack of understanding about its long-term implications, which could lead to volatility in the market. Furthermore, some investors are worried that the market may be experiencing a bubble, and that the prices of these stocks may be unsustainable. Despite these challenges, there are also some compelling growth factors to consider. One of the most significant is the rapid advancement of mRNA technology itself. As researchers continue to improve the efficacy and safety of these treatments, we're likely to see even more applications emerge. For example, companies are already exploring the use of mRNA in cancer treatments, which could be a major growth area. Increased funding and investment in the space are also helping to drive growth, as more money becomes available for research and development. Expanding applications beyond vaccines are also on the horizon. For instance, some companies are working on using mRNA to treat genetic disorders, which could be a major breakthrough. The potential for mRNA to be used in combination with other therapies is also an exciting area of research, as it could lead to even more effective treatments. And with more companies entering the space, we're likely to see even more innovation and growth. Several experts believe that mRNA stocks are poised for significant growth in 2025. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence is the rapid progress being made in the field, with several companies on the verge of major breakthroughs. For example, some companies are on the cusp of receiving FDA approval for their treatments, which could be a major catalyst for growth. Additionally, the increasing demand for effective treatments and vaccines is likely to drive growth in the space. Other experts point to the significant investment in the space, which is helping to drive innovation and growth. The fact that mRNA technology has the potential to disrupt traditional pharmaceutical companies is also a major trend to watch. As these companies continue to make progress, we're likely to see even more interest from investors, which could drive prices up. Some experts are predicting significant growth in the space, with some stocks potentially increasing by 50% or more in the next year. The main point to take away is that mRNA stocks have both significant potential and considerable risk. While there are challenges facing the market, there are also compelling growth factors that suggest these stocks could explode in 2025. As with any investment, it's essential to do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any decisions. So what do you think? Will mRNA stocks explode in 2025? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more insights on biotech investments.